Today, guys, we're going to take a look at the COMFIER Foot Massager. This is the CF5250. Now, this one has a number of controls built right into the device itself. As you can see, the size of it, it's not huge, but it's not tiny either. This will support up to someone with size 13 foot. It has these nice little, kind of like little socks or where your feet go in. These are removable, so you can take these out to clean them. It does come with your power supply to run this. So you get a nice little 12-volt power supply that comes with it. So let me plug this in and let's see my first impressions of what this feels like on my feet. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, let's give this thing a test drive. All right, so far so good. Turn the power on. I can already feel the massage. Now, of course, a lot of these things are already turned on. You have your air intensity, you have your heat that you can turn on and off, and of course, you can switch through different modes. You have 3 settings on the air. You have 3 settings, as you guys can see here, on the kneading. And you have your other settings really nice. So like I said, this thing feels amazing on my feet. So definitely, if you're looking for a way to relax at the end of the day and massage your feet, increase blood flow, this could be exactly what you're looking for. I am a huge fan of this. This thing is going to be under my desk from now on because I work from home, and trust me, having something this kind of comfort, guys, is a win. All right, I will see you all in the next video. I want to thank COMFIER for sending this out for me to be able to review it and show it to you guys. All right, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace. I'm out.